Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Ford Escape XLT. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 179,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto.